Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To view the Find My Device settings in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the Privacy and Security button at the left side of the screen to show the privacy and security settings for your computer to the right. Then click the Find My Device button to the right to show the Find My Device settings at the right side of the Settings app window. As noted at the top of the Settings page, the Find My Device setting in Windows 11 applies to all the device's users, but only administrators can change this setting. To enable or disable the Find My Device feature in Windows 11, click the Find My Device setting button's toggle switch to set it to the on or off position as desired. To see all devices linked to the currently signed in account, click the See All Your Devices linked to your account setting button to open an account web page that shows that information. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.